National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Sarpy County, southwestern Washington County, Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Dodge County, western Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, western Otoe County in southeastern Nebraska, western Douglas County, western Pawnee County in southeastern Nebraska, Saunders County, Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, western Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 4:15 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles southeast of Stromsburg to Mahaska, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. These are destructive storms. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Beatrice, Pickrell, Cedar Bluffs, Fremont, Englewood, Arlington, and Sterling. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 397 and 432. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across southeast Nebraska. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern and east.